Good morning, adventurers. We moved house yesterday to this amazing open air villa with our own private pool.
It's beautiful.
Views of rice fields all around. Very sweet. But Amy and Craig from Kinging It, they actually set up this tubing adventure. I don't think it's quite rafting. I think it's literally like these little tubes we're going to take down the river. We're not exactly sure what to expect, but we're pretty excited.
Yeah, and it's Amy's birthday today, so I'm really excited to celebrate with her. And this is probably the best way she could have done it. I mean, this is going to be amazing, I think.
But our driver is here now. We're going to head over there. We've got... Hi. We've got Ashley over here. Hi. And who have we here?
It's me.
It's Josh. That's a really nice hat, Josh.
Yeah, you like that?
Hey,
Where can I find that hat?
TheWayWay.com/shop. Let's just say use code EndlessFam in the comments to get 10% off.
Let's actually go and do that. I think we're going to make that real.
All right, EndlessFam.
We've met up with Kinging It, the birthday girl. Are you having a good birthday so far?
I just love it when it's my birthday. Like, you just feel so special for the day and just a lovable feeling. I love it.
You ready to get in the water?
I can't wait. We did this last year. The best time ever.
All right.
So much fun.
If
We're
you
excited.
come to Bali, it's not like promoted anymore.
Yeah, you can't find it like on the stores or
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know how we came across that.
Cool.
It's from all of us, but Allison was the most
Oh my god! I love it! Yeah! Oh guys, this is gonna be all decked out. I love it. Oh, and this is so cute. Oh, you know me so well.
They've given us some juice, and we've also placed an order for lunch, which apparently we're going to have after we go tubing.
Yeah.
Which is going to be awesome, because we're going to be hungry.
Yeah. So Amy has told us that you get in these little rafts and you go down the river. It's our first time doing anything like this, and I'm so excited. I feel like it's my birthday.
All right, let's go tubing.
And if you cross, no keep tubing. It's tubing, fast go. You swimming body up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep, all good?
All right.
Let's go! We just got a little crash course in how not to crash.
Totally prepared. It's gonna be great.
We are down at the river. We've got our rafts. You guys ready? Yeah!
Straight away.
It's cold. A little cold. Woo! Shit, I'm already off to a bad start. All right, we're turned around. I'm good. I have no control at all over this thing.
Oh, hi there.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling ready to do it. Like I'm getting tossed about a bit.
I got punked. You little shit. He says, you like swimming? Next thing I know, I'm in the water.
Oh, welcome. We've been waiting.
You guys, I keep hitting my butt on these rocks. Oh yeah, you gotta do the air hump. Oh man. I like how chill you look in that tube. You having fun?
I'm having so much fun. And I have managed to not get my butt caught on any of the rocks yet.
Stuck on some rocks now. Oh, you really got to muscle your way through it. All right, I'm free. And now I'm hitting another rock. Ah, now we're talking. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm stuck again. Watch your bum bum on this one. Oh my God, you guys, I might have actually broke my tailbone on that one. Holy shit. hit my tailbone so hard it knocked the wind out of me. I didn't know that was possible.
They say this is the big one up ahead. They're sending us one by one. I haven't heard too much screaming, so I'm hoping it'll be okay.
There we go.
Yeah, thank you. Oh no! Fly backwards. No! It's absolutely lovely here. Look at this. It's freaking like lazy river in the jungle of Bali.
We're taking a little stop in this beautiful spot here.
Yeah, they say it's holy water up here.
Yeah. You guys, I hit my tailbone real hard though. I thought it was broken, but I'm able to walk and stuff, but man, it hurts. Woo!
Yeah, he
That
has
was
been
bad. I've been miserable
so
since then.
pathetic in his little raft. The
Yeah.
grumpiest little rafter.
It honestly, it just hurt bad. It was real bad. But now every time we go over a rapid, I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, those rocks
Trying not to
come
get hit
out of
again.
Nowhere.
Whew,
Oh,
man.
and it's not very padded in the bottom of these.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have a bruised bottom
Oh.
there for the next week or so. Woo! That's some holy water.
I have to put my head
Did you have fun, Ashley?
Yeah, I'm just trying to blow all the water out of my nose. That went to my brain. I did it, and a legit somersault. You went all the way back. That was great.
Survived. Now we're like trekking through the jungle to get back to the beginning. God, lots of stairs, and every time I step up the stair, it hurts in my tailbone. This is gonna be rough. I think it's only gonna get worse over the next couple days. Yeah, we need to find some Advil or something.
If you get the opportunity, come, but know that they're gonna flip you into the water,
Yeah.
whether you want to or not.
Yeah, you're getting wet one way or another.
Unless you break your butt, and then they're very nice to you.
Yeah, I was like, please be gentle with me. I cannot do this anymore. This is all very cool, by the way.
Yeah.
Check this out. Yeah, it's a really cool spot.
It's so amazing.
They have like a man-made waterfall over there.
Yeah.
We have sat down for a delicious meal, exactly what we need after braving those rapids.
Yeah, it's great.
Huh?
You do the rapids and then you come back here and you get a choice of like noodles or rice and they bring it all out for you. It's pretty sweet.
So I've got some chicken here, some satays, I think a cheeky little egg right here, yeah. And then all kinds of other goodies. And Allison got the same thing.
Yeah, it just sounded too good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good.
Nasi campur, man, it's so good.
We are back at our little villa. We were gonna head out and get some booze because we had this grand idea to make some cocktails or like some blended drinks because they have a blender over there in the kitchen here.
So we got a bunch of fruit the other day, but we couldn't find any liquor, so
we're gonna go on the
we're
hunt
gonna
for
go
some
explore.
for
now
some
that
liquor.
The sun's down a little bit. Maybe we won't melt when we go.
Yeah, it's actually really amazing weather out here right now.
Bali in the evenings is just beautiful. You get this breeze, it cools down so much, it's perfect.
Yeah, but we wanted to give you guys a quick look around this amazing villa before we head out.
This was about 20 USD per night per couple.
Per couple, so like 40 USD per night for the whole thing.
Yeah.
And what you get is this place with these 2 bedrooms here. It's completely open air, which is so cool because you feel just like part of the trees and the rice fields out there.
Yeah, and the main road is like way up this dirt road.
Yeah, so you don't hear anything. And we have our own private pool out here.
Look at this.
The wall that surrounds the place is low, so you can still see out in every direction.
Oh yeah, there's the rice paddy over there. There's been all sorts of people working and birds flying all around. We found a cat over there the other night. It's pretty cool. So we have a whole outdoor kitchen, y'all. Which we Ashley made us some delicious eggs this morning, which is so sweet of her.
This is where we've been getting work done and stuff.
And then
We wanted to show you guys the bathroom. Our room is a little messy right now, so we're not really going to show you that.
we'll just skip right to the important part, the bathroom. Y'all, look how cool this is.
Yeah, so we've got a rock floor right here, and then there's no glass there. That's just an open skylight. I've actually been hoping it would rain, so I could sit in here with like the rainwater coming down and the shower water. I just thought that'd be really cool, but it hasn't happened yet. But pretty cool. This is my favorite feature of the place.
Yeah, it's nice. The toilet's really nice. It's even got the sprayer on it, which we've come to love.
Yeah. All right, but now we are on a mission to get some booze. We were unsuccessful in trying to find alcohol, you guys. We were even asking some of the local shop owners, and they said they just don't sell it in this area. You have to go to Ubud.
Which is like almost
too
2
far.
miles, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna get a couple beers now, and then
Bintang it is.
This is just for me though. You're gonna have to get your own.
Oh, snap.
All right.
Technically, Josh owes us because we've been buying all his bintang.
Okay, fine. You can have
so.
two.
All right.
Ah, yes.
We've got our bintang,
Bintang.
and we decided to just get a bunch of snacks.
Check it out, y'all, and they were all like
3,000, 5,500, 5,000, so
this
like
is
under
like-
50 cents.
yeah. All right. They taste like legit beet chips.
Really?
Yeah.
They
Those are
look
delicious.
pretty legit. Oh,
They're
those are good.
good.
They're kind of sweet. Mm-hmm. And they're real crunchy. Oh, these are
yeah.
really good. All right. We got Allison Public Iron back here.
The rapids weren't enough for me.
If you guys ever, we actually get a lot of people saying like, how do we stay fit when we're traveling? I don't know how I stay fit. I mostly just walk a lot. But this is how Allison stays fit. This is what she's doing pretty much every single day behind the scenes. She mostly just does YouTube videos. When I work out, that's what I do as well. But she's got like this catalog of YouTube videos that she goes through. And this is the one piece of equipment that we travel with, the bands.
Oh, when it does the job, as you
Yeah.
can see, I'm sweating a lot.
Getting that good pump. But this is one of our best like staying fit on the road tips is to carry a band like this because we have the highest resistance band and you can basically use it for almost any exercise
Yeah.
and get good resistance, without carrying weights.
I would say if you can get also like a really thin one that's a continuous loop, that one's awesome too.
Yeah.
For a lot of like butt workouts.
Keeping that butt toned.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah. So we are about to head to bed. We ended up having a pretty chill day, and I am totally fine with that after all the rafting anyway. We were all so tired. I think everyone took a nap. You didn't take a nap. She never takes naps.
Nah.
But
I just
Josh and I,
stood.
yeah, Josh and I both took a nap, and then he went to bed at
I
like,
think like 7 p.m.
Yeah, he
I'm
said-
very impressed by that. We also got too caught up working and didn't end up going out for dinner. So our dinner was those chips, the beer, and now we have these tangos with, check this out. We got milk at the grocery store. It's yellow.
It's a little yellow,
I don't
isn't
know
it?
what that
Huh.
means. It was also in a can, like a soda can looking thing. But we've been having it in our coffee the last few days, and it's
It actually
been
tastes really
fine.
good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really like thick and creamy.
But I think we're going to take a few days off, you guys. We really
Oh,
need
we've been
it.
going hard. We've been
Yeah.
having so much fun with everyone that we haven't like actually sat down at all.
Yeah, we got to plan our upcoming travels and figure out what the hell we're doing.
Yeah.
So we're going to
So
get back to you on that.
We have 1 week of accommodations sorted, and then we have literally no idea where we're going. So stay tuned. That's going to be fun. All right, good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.